Okay, we are out here doing a tune-up on a Honda CR-V. We're gonna go step by step. Okay, we remove the black cover that goes here, and now you can see all the coil packs. So we're gonna start removing them. Okay, we removed all the bolts and for the coil packs, and we've taken all the plugs for the coil packs off. They're really easy to do. You just press this button right here and then pull them out, and it'll slide right off. So now what we're going to do is take all the coil packs out. Okay, now we got them all out. Now we're going to take all the spark plugs out. Okay, we got all the spark plugs out. They're definitely showing some age and needed definitely to be replaced. So we're going to replace them with brand new spark plugs, and we're going to check the gap. Okay, we checked the spark plug gap on the old one, and it was set at 40 thousandths. There's our spark plug gapper. And we're going to check to make sure the new spark plugs are gapped at 40 thousandths too. Alright, the new spark plugs, this first one of it is at 40 thousandths, so we know they're gapped correctly. Not always when you buy a gapped spark plug, they won't always be correct. So you must always check them. Okay, we got all the spark plugs, all the new spark plugs back in, and all the coil packs are all back in. So we're going to plug them in. Alright, so all the coil packs are all plugged in. Now we'll bolt them down and put the black cover on. Okay, the black cover's back on, and this tune-up is done.